What's going on, guys? Davis Hirsch here from Hirsch Power Garage. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on this BMW and we're going to be installing the AWE axle back exhaust on it. So stay tuned. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below as I respond to all comments. So we've got the car in the garage, we've got the front wheels chalked off, and now we're going to lift the rear just for accessibility. You can probably do this without lifting the rear, but it'll be easier for us to film. And we're gonna need the jack it from the central diff in the rear. And so now that we've got the car in the air, what we're gonna go ahead and do is we have to cut the OEM axle back here, and we don't have exact measurements. So what we're gonna do is start high, and then obviously if we need to cut more, we can. But obviously if we start cutting down here, we need extra. We're not gonna be able to go kind of in reverse. So like I said, we're gonna cut up here, test fit it. If it works, we'll continue and be good to go. But if it doesn't, like I said, we'll just keep cutting down until we get perfect fitment. So obviously we're gonna clean up this cut a little bit, but this is now separated. And we're gonna have 2 bolts up there on that hanger. And then we're gonna have one other bolt on this side for the hanger up there. We already have the Valvetronic stuff disconnected, so this won't apply to our application.
I don't really know. Oh, come on.
So what we've done now is kind of mocked up the exhaust, and when we put the new exhaust in the stock hanger, we realized we still have a while to cut. So we've marked this off here. It was probably even at about right here, but we want to cut earlier just to give us some leeway in case we basically don't cut in the right spot. But we're gonna go ahead and get started on that, and then we'll go ahead and test fit again. So right now what we've gone ahead and done is cut the exhaust to fit. We're going to use this applied kind of clamps to get everything together, and then the kind of V-band style clamps will hold it all together, shall we say. We've transferred over the valve control, and we have the other supplied clamp here, and now we're going to kind of loosely get it all together. It'll be tight to the point where we can put it up all as one unit, but not so tight to where we can't kind of wiggle it around to get the fitment right. All right, so we've got everything tightened up right now. We're gonna start it while it's still on the jacks, just in case we have anything vibrating or rattling. But now we're gonna do a first start. I gotta say, I don't think it sounds bad for stock muffler. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope y'all did enjoy today's video. Huge shout out to AWE Tuning for helping us out with this exhaust. Additionally, if you do have any questions or anything like that, leave those below. I'll answer all comments, and I have the full mod list for this car listed in the description as well. Thanks, guys. Obviously. Get some like interior windows up.
Interior comfort mode. It's like
Some ASMR.
it's like quiet mode.
You're good. Oh, you got that. Whoops. That's going in the video. You're good. The burbles sound great.
I wasn't paying attention.
That's crazy. It's quieter than I thought it would be.
Yeah, up there it's not too.
I thought it was gonna be like screaming, but it's really not. Is that full throttle?
75.
Ah.
See that?
Well, there's Will.